this X marks the spot. I've got a great hack for you. I think I found a purpose for those dreaded pull tabs that we all hate. I've been collecting them for a little while, and all my dirty change, and I think if this works out, I think I can use the pull tabs to actually tumble my coins clean. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and let's see how it turns out. All right, so step one is I'm gonna give them a quick rinse in a strainer. I've got let's just get a lot of the initial dirt and sand off so it doesn't muddy up the water. Otherwise, you gotta change the water halfway through. And I don't want to take the time. I want this to be as easy as possible. So I'm just going to give them a quick rinse. All right, so now I've given them a rinse. I'm going to dump them out, and I'm going to separate them. Oops. I'm going to separate the copper from the other coins, so that, because if you tumble a penny with the other coins, all your quarters, nickels, and dimes will turn a copper color. So I have to separate them. All right. Okay, so I've separated. I can't even tell what some of these are. I think that's a penny. So here's all the silver clad, and here are all the pennies. Pretty nasty. Some of them aren't too bad. Some of them are pretty corroded or not going to be spendable. But I've got two drums for my tumbler. Let me load them in. Here we go. All right, so here's my bottle or jar of, I've got pull tabs, I've got melted aluminum, just anything that kind of has an edge on it, some fishing weights. I've just been collecting them. A lot of the pull tabs I bent a little bit just to give them a little more edge when they tumble. So now I'm going to split them up, half in here, half over here. Since they're aluminum, I'm fairly confident that they won't scratch, but I'm hoping they'll have enough roughness to help clean the coins. All right, there we go. Here's my coins with the pull tabs. Now I'm going to fill it up with a little bit of water. So I'm just going to put some water in there just so that it covers it. Just enough to cover it. Here's the other one. I'm going to add some soap. Just a few squirts of rust and lime cleaner, and that's it. Alright, now it's time to put the lids back on. Let's seal down there. load them up. And turn it on. All right, we're gonna let that run for about 2 to 3 hours and see how it looks. All right, well, it's been running for about 3.5 hours, so let's see what we got. Screw and the washer. Use the washer to pop the top. Time to put the screw back in. It makes it easier to break the seal. Definitely a little foamy. All right, let's take it over here and rinse it out. These are the pennies. There's an easy way to separate them. Wow, those look pretty clean. Look at that. That worked great. I mean, there's some that are still pretty in bad shape, but most of them are just nice and clean. Pull tabs, who would have guessed? That's awesome. All right, let's check the other coins. Check that out. All right, save your pull tabs because they work really well in cleaning your clad. Let me pull them all out, save them for the next round, and I'll show you the end result. Oh, nice Susan B. Anthony there. Well, there it is. There's the final result. Man, I can't believe that worked so well. I mean, all the silver coins, I mean, some of them are still a little tarnished, but or check out how clean the aluminum slag got. That's kind of cool. And the pennies, same thing. I mean, they're just nice, bright and shiny. Oh look, I didn't get all separated, that's cool too. That means maybe I don't have to keep them in separate containers because the silver did not pick up the copper, which I've had done them before. There's still a few in there that are pretty ate up, but I think that worked great. All right, well, there you go. Finally, a purpose for pull tabs. I think that's a pretty cool hack. So thanks for watching. This is X Marks the Spot. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next time.